Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best dog clippers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have OneAll Dog Clippers. The OneAll Dog Clippers proved to be a cut above the rest, claiming the top spot in this review with ease. Upon opening the kit's package, we were met with an intuitive set of straightforward directions that answered all of our immediate questions. The blade quality and cutting ability reigns superior to the rest of the cordless options you tested. The size, weight, and shape of the clippers, along with their noise and vibration level, are just right. The battery charging and life are exceptional, cleaning is simple, and the accessories included are just what you needed and nothing more. Moving on at number 4, we have Wahl Pet Pro Grooming Kit. The Wahl Pet Pro Grooming Kit won't break the bank and will cut efficiently on all types of dogs. The power of these clippers is intense, and it shows when clipping on long, thick fur and hair. The build of the clippers feels sturdy, and they are ergonomic and comfortable to hold. We found no issues with the cutting effectiveness, despite there only being one speed, even after our drop test. The included accessories fulfilled our needs and didn't leave us wanting anything beyond what is in the package. At number 3, we have Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Series. In just 15 minutes, it became evident to us that the Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Series is a great option for grooming while short on time. These clippers are the fastest charging of all the clippers you tested, and if you plan to cut numerous dogs' fur or have a quick window of time to get your grooming finished, you'll be pleased with their quick charging ability and battery life. When testing the clippers on long, thick hair, we had no issues, and you can even adjust the blade height on the fly with the control right at your thumb. At number 2, we have Wahl EZ Pro for pets. If you're simply in need of a touch-up or quick trim on short hair, the Wahl EZ Pro for pets is an easy bet. Its cutting ability is acceptable on shorter hair, and the weight and feel of the clippers is better than most. The noise and vibration levels are average when compared to the entire testing group, and the range of combs are easy to snap on and off. As with the other Wahl clippers, the manufacturer also suggests not to remove the blade and head, and reviewers have claimed issues occurring after removal. Despite a few issues, these clippers are a fine choice if you plan to keep up with quick trims. The feel and the accessories of the EZ Pro seem lower quality than others, but from our testing posed no issues. And finally at number 1, Yappie Fey Dog Clippers. The Yappie Fey Dog Clippers are a functional and impressively affordable option that comes packed with accessories. They are one of the quietest models we tested and don't have excessive vibration even with their lightweight. The ease of cleaning on these clippers is a highlight, and they're one of the few that suggest the entire clipper is washable with water. When clipping long, thick hair, the blades of the Yappie Fey became stuck immediately, but when you focused on a smooth and short coat, you noticed increased efficiency. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.